There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza. I'm not mad, I'm just cutting a hole in the bottom of a bucket. Application for liverboards. So this is a computer fan mounted on a thin piece of ply. It just pops in the window there. Plugs into a cigarette lighter type socket in the back of the cupboard, and it extracts the heat from off of the galley. I've actually got to put another computer fan in because I made it big enough. And you see it there. I made it big enough to take two fans, and they use next to no power at all. Again, if you want to see how it works, I can do a sketch for someone. Just ask in the comments. Happy? Go.
Yeah. So the problem I've got in this galley, as lovely as it is, there is just not enough workspace to prepare food. If I need to get in the fridge, if I've got to cut top off the cooker. So I asked Ant to build me this. My extra workspace. It's brilliant. It's a chopping board. I can do all the preparation here, wash it in the sink, move along and cook it. Absolutely perfect.
Folds up when we're underway.
Folds up when we're underway.
Clips down.
Sorted.
It's all sorted. So that was it's a bamboo worktop that was €14. Some offset hinges and a clip. The hinges were about €4, and the clip is stainless steel, and that was I can't remember how much that was, about €3, something like that, and then a piece of ply and some extra hinges underneath. It works really well.
It does. I'm very pleased with it.
A happy bunny.
I am, and I could also use it as an ironing board if I need to.
So one of the other things you may remember us doing in Portugal was building this top hatch cover with a mosquito net in it, and it's worked really well. But when it's hot and there's mosquitoes about, we need more airflow. So we started building this companionway hatch with mosquito net in, and our doors will close. You see our doors. Pay no attention to the mess in the background, we're working on the boat. Yeah, the doors will close, and it gives more airflow. I've got to straighten this netting up and clip it down properly, but so we now have a hatchway that we can leave open at night. We don't have to worry about security locking the doors because we've got an Oscar, and there ain't no one coming aboard with him on the back. But it just gives us airflow, and it was really easy to make with a piece of ply and some mosquito. Said another road trip.
Bus.
Lovely fresh fruit. huge, isn't it? He's pretty loud. So I've also been busy fitting these USB sockets with a cigarette lighter type socket on the on one side, and we've fitted 2 in the forward cabin and 1 in the aft cabin and an extra one at the chart table. So when you want one of these but you're too tight to pay £85, then you have to do this. And so now we have a bucket with a perspex bottom, and when we want to look at the anchor we can do so by putting this in the water over the side of the dinghy without getting in the water. So another top tip: when you want to clean the waterline on your boat, as you push against the side of the boat you will find you get pushed away until you put your glass lifter on, and then you can pull yourself against the side of the boat and scrub the waterline down and take that bit of growth off. I was going to say, they're all going to try and get in there now.
Qualcuno che deve fare la foto del pronto?
Saying, you know, took a picture of how many times.
3 years. No, was really a yeah.
That's Oliver,
I know, yeah. Oliver the octopus, down the hatch.
Prego, accingetevi.
Giusto? Ecco bene? Pietro amico. Ok, ci sta.
Well, unfortunately we can't show you all the music and dancing because there's copyright on it, so but I thought I'd do a short voiceover. This festival marks the beginning of Lent and is on every Sunday and then Shrove Tuesday as the town celebrates Lent. And you'll see that all the children, all the young children, are all dressed up in costumes and having a great time. Yeah, another festival we walked into. Ain't it great?
We make these videos for you. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. We're on Facebook, SV Impavidus.
Sail safe.